You can easily fix the P1338 engine code by replacing the crankshaft position sensor. It indicates a camshaft position sensor fault on bank 1, characterized by an open circuit or a short to positive, meaning the engine's control module has detected a problem with this sensor or its wiring. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. Method 1. The crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft is typically located at the front underside of the engine, often mounted to the timing cover. Start by carefully removing the crankshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Inspect it visually to ensure it hasn't been affected by leaks from other engine components. Next, use a multimeter to perform a resistance test on the sensor. If there is no reading, this indicates the sensor is defective and requires replacement. Additionally, check that the O-ring from the sensor hasn't fallen into its mounting hole. Finally, install a new crankshaft position sensor in its place. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW models, Jaguar, Peugeot, and Mini Cooper. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.